About a year ago, we started rolling out the equipment module. So obviously in the fire service, each apparatus and the stations have a ton of equipment. I think as of now, we have just under 1,000 items inventory, which the department never had the option or a way to inventory anything. So now everything's inventoried. From that, within Station Smarts, we've developed a QR code system. So each individual can take out their smartphone, scan a QR, and it'll tell you what the item is, what apparatus it belongs to. And then within that, it gives you an in-service date for that equipment and date of purchase. And then there's an option to hit repair request. So take, for instance, we'll say a roof saw or a chainsaw's out of service due to a bad chain. The firefighter can scan that QR code and write in the narrative that that specific item needs a repair, and then he can log it in service or out of service. After they hit submit, it's the mechanic or whoever else is designated. They get a text message. Just with the equipment module, every repair gets tracked. So I can go back, say 2 years, and say, oh, did we replace the batteries in that, when they were supposed to be repaired? It's a whole log entry for the lifetime span of that. Every time batteries are replaced, we scan the QR code. We'll just put a simple note: batteries replaced on such and such a date. An important thing to note is every time that individual scans a QR code, I know who's submitting the request because they're logged in onto their phone, and I know the date of the request.
Right.